Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. I am Ryan.
And I am Mia. Hello, it is great to see you again.
Yes, it is. But Mia, wait. Look at me. I am breathing hard.
Oh, yes, you are. Why are you breathing hard? What did you do?
I ran to the studio. I ran very fast.
Why did you run? Why were you running?
I was in a rush. I did not want to be late.
Oh, you were in a rush. That is our first phrase today.
Yes, in a rush. It means you need to go fast.
That is right. In a rush, you do not have much time.
Exactly. I was in a rush. I did not want to make you wait.
Thank you, Ryan. But you should slow down.
Slow down? That is our second phrase.
Yes, slow down. It means go slower. Do not go so fast.
I see. Slow down. I should slow down.
Yes, you should. And our third phrase is very important.
What is it, Mia? Tell me.
It is take your time. This is our main phrase today.
Take your time. I like that phrase. What does it mean?
Take your time means you do not need to hurry.
Oh, I see. Take your time. We can go slowly.
Yes, we can go slowly and feel relaxed.
That is wonderful. I need to take my time.
Yes, you do. And we have 3 more phrases today.
What are they? Let's tell our listeners.
They are on time, make a plan, and take a break.
Oh, those are great phrases. We will explain them soon.
Yes, we will. We will explain all of them today.
And we have a cool story. Mia has a story about her morning.
Yes, I do. I woke up late today. It was very interesting.
I want to hear that. Did you wake up on time?
No, I did not wake up on time. I woke up late.
Oh no. What did you do? Were you in a rush?
I will tell you soon, but first, let's talk about the past.
The past? Why the past?
Because in the past, people did not have alarm clocks.
Wait, really? No alarm clocks?
Yes, no alarm clocks, no phones.
That is crazy. How did they wake up on time?
Well, they had a very special way.
How? Did they have birds? Did they have dogs?
No, they paid workers to wake them up.
Paid workers? Real people?
Yes, real people. They had a special job.
Wow. What was the name of this job?
They were called knocker-uppers.
Knocker-uppers. That is a funny name.
Yes, it is. I will tell you more about them in a minute.
Great. I want to know all about them.
But first, let's listen to some music.
Yes, let's take a short break.
Welcome back. Now, let's talk about my morning.
Yes, tell us. You woke up late. What happened?
Well, my phone died last night. I did not charge it.
Oh no, that is bad. So your alarm did not ring.
Yes, my alarm did not ring. I woke up at 8.
8? But we start work at 9.
Yes, I usually wake up at 6, so I was very late.
Wow, were you in a rush? Did you run?
At first, yes. I was in a rush. I ran around my room.
I know that feeling. It is very stressful.
Yes, it is. I could not find my keys. I could not find my bag.
Oh, that is the worst. Did you find them?
Yes, I did. But then I looked out the window.
What did you see? Was it raining?
No, it was a beautiful day. The sun was shining. The sky was blue.
That sounds nice, but you were late.
Yes, I was late. But I stopped. I stood by the window.
You stopped, but you needed to go.
I know. But I told myself, Mia, just take your time.
Take your time, but you were late.
Les, I was already late. Running would not change that.
That is true. Running does not make the clock go back.
Exactly. So I decided to take my time.
Did you get some coffee?
Yes, I did. I bought a warm cup of coffee at my favorite shop.
Wow, you really did take your time.
Yes, I walked to the studio and arrived at 9:15.
15 minutes late? Was the boss angry?
No, I told him the truth and he was fine.
That is good. So taking your time was a good decision.
Yes, I was happy. I was not stressed. It was a good morning.
That is amazing. Usually being late makes me feel sick.
Yes, because you run. You do not take your time.
You are right. Next time, I will try to take my time.
Yes, try it. It is much better for your heart.
I will. Now, tell me about the knocker-uppers.
Oh, yes, the knocker-uppers.
How did they wake people up on time?
They walked in the streets in the morning.
Okay, but how did they reach the windows?
They had long sticks. The sticks were made of wood or bamboo.
Long wooden sticks? That is interesting.
Yes, they tapped on the windows of the bedrooms.
What if the bedroom was on the second floor?
The sticks were very long. They could reach the second floor.
Did they tap loudly?
No, they tapped gently until the person woke up.
Oh, I see. They only wanted to wake up one person.
Yes, they tapped gently.
Did they use anything else?
Yes, some knocker-uppers did not use sticks.
Really? What did they use?
They used pea shooters.
Pea shooters? Like blowing green peas through a tube?
Yes, they blew small green peas at the windows.
That is so funny. They shot peas at windows.
Yes, it made a soft sound. It worked very well.
I love that. I want to knock her upper with a pea shooter.
Me too. It is much better than a loud phone alarm.
Yes, it is. But how did they know who to wake up?
People paid them a few coins every week.
Okay, and did the knocker-uppers write down the times?
Yes, they made a plan. They had a book.
Ah, they had a plan. Make a plan. That is our phrase.
Yes, make a plan. They wrote the names and times in a book.
Or did they write on the doors?
Yes, some people wrote the wake-up times on their doors with chalk.
With chalk? On the front door?
Yes, so the knocker-upper could see it in the morning.
That is very interesting. But wait, who woke up the knocker-uppers?
Ah, that is a famous question.
Yes, who woke up the knocker-uppers?
Some people say they did not sleep at night.
They did not sleep at all?
Yes, they slept in the day, they worked all night.
Oh, I see. They stayed awake all night and slept in the day.
Yes, or maybe they had other knocker-uppers to wake them.
A circle of knocker-uppers. That is funny.
Yes, it is, but they helped many people be on time.
On time. That means not late.
Yes, arriving at the correct time.
I want to be on time, but it is hard.
It is not hard if you make a plan.
Okay, let's talk more about that.
Yes, let's. But first, let's play some music.
Let's do that.
And we are back. Now, let's talk about our habits.
Yes, Team Ryan versus Team Mia.
Yes. Ryan, tell me, what is your morning like?
My morning is crazy. I always wake up late.
Why do you wake up late? Do you sleep too much?
Yes, I love my bed. It is so warm. I do not want to leave it.
I understand, but then you do not have much time.
Exactly. I wake up and I see the time. I say, oh no.
And then you are in a rush.
Yes, I am in a rush. I run to the bathroom. I brush my teeth fast.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, but I eat very fast. I drink my hot coffee fast. It burns my tongue.
Oh no, that is bad. You need to slow down.
I know, but I can't slow down. I have to go to work.
Do you make a plan for your day?
No, I don't. I do not have time to make a plan.
That is the problem. If you make a plan, you will save time.
How? How does a plan save time?
Well, you can prepare your clothes the night before.
Prepare my clothes in the evening?
Yes, put your clothes on a chair and your keys in your bag.
That is a good idea. I never do that.
Then you do not have to look for them in the morning.
True. I spend 10 minutes looking for my keys every morning.
Exactly. So make a plan. It will help you.
Okay, I will try to make a plan tonight.
Good. And what about your work? Do you take a break?
Take a break. Our phrase, yes.
Yes, take a break. It means stop working to rest.
I do not take many breaks. I work for 5 hours. Then I feel very tired.
5 hours without a break? That is too long.
I think so too. My head hurts. My eyes are tired.
You must take a break every hour, just for 5 minutes.
What should I do during the break?
Stand up, walk around, drink some water, look out the window.
Can I look at my phone?
No, looking at your phone is not a break for your brain.
Oh, okay. No phone, just walking and drinking water.
Yes, slow down and rest. It will make you feel better.
I will try that. Now, tell me about your morning, Mia.
My morning is very quiet. I wake up at 6.
6? That is so early.
Yes, but I like it. The house is quiet. I open the window.
Do you hear the birds?
Yes, I do. I hear the birds. I feel the fresh air.
And you do not rush?
No, I never rush. I make a plan. I know what I want to do.
Do you eat breakfast slowly?
Yes, I make tea. I eat some fruit and bread. I take my time.
You really take your time.
Yes, I take my time. I read a book for 20 minutes.
That sounds like a dream. My morning is just running and shouting.
You can change that, Ryan. Just wake up earlier.
Waking up earlier is hard. I love sleep.
I know, but try it. It is very nice.
Okay, maybe I will try.
Now, let's talk about our O moment.
Oh, the O moment, our surprise fact with numbers?
Yes, Ryan, I have a question for you.
Okay, I am ready. What is it?
What percentage of workers are late for work at least once a week?
Oh, people who are not on time?
Yes, people who do not arrive on time.
Many people are late. I think it is 30%.
30%? That is a lot.
Yes, everyone is late sometimes.
Actually, it is 15%.
15%? Really?
Yes, only 15% of workers are late once a week.
Wow, that is smaller than I thought.
Yes, most people are on time. They arrive at the correct time.
I guess I am in that 15%.
Yes, you are. You need to be in the 85%.
The 85% who are on time?
Yes.
Okay, I will try. I will make a plan and slow down.
Good. Now let's listen to some music.
Yes, let's.
Welcome back to our last part. Now let's play a game.
A game? I love games. How do we play?
I will give you 6 situations. You must use our phrases to answer.
Okay, I am ready. Let's start.
Situation number 1.
Yes, number 1.
You are going to meet a friend at a restaurant. The dinner starts in 10 minutes, but you are still at home. What is your situation?
Oh, I am in a rush. I need to run to the door. I must go fast.
That is right. You are in a rush.
Yes, I am in a rush. I don't want my friend to wait.
Good. Situation number 2.
Okay, number 2.
Your friend is working on a big project. He has been working for 4 hours. He looks very tired. What do you tell him?
I will tell him, hey, you look tired. You should take a break.
Yes, take a break.
Yes, stop working. Go walk for 5 minutes. Take a break.
Perfect. Situation number 3.
What is number 3?
You want to paint your bedroom, but you do not know where to start. What should you do?
I should make a plan. I will write down what to do first.
Excellent. Situation number 4.
Okay, number 4.
You are riding a bicycle down a big hill. You are going very, very fast. It is a bit scary. What should you do?
I should slow down.
Yes, slow down.
Yes, I should use the brakes. I need to slow down. Going too fast is dangerous.
Very good. Situation number 5.
Okay, number 5. We are almost done.
Your sister is writing a story. She wants to finish it today, but she is worried because she is writing slowly. What do you say to her?
I will say, do not worry. Take your time.
Yes, take your time.
Yes, take your time. A good story needs time. Do not hurry.
That is a very nice answer.
Thank you. I like telling people to take their time.
Yes, it is a good thing to say.
Now, what is the last situation? Number 6.
Situation number 6.
Okay.
You wake up, you look at your watch, you see you have 5 minutes. The train leaves in 5 minutes. The station is 10 minutes away. What is happening?
Oh no, I am in a rush again.
Yes, you are in a rush.
I am in a rush, but I will not make it. I will miss the train.
Yes, you will. You were not on time.
Yes, I was not on time. I hate that feeling.
You did a great job in the game, Ryan. You got all 6 correct.
Yes, I did. I feel very smart today.
You are smart, Ryan.
Thank you, Mia.
Now let's take a short break before we finish.
Okay, let's do that.
We are at the end of our show today.
Oh, the show is finished? That was fast.
Yes, time goes fast when you have fun.
That is true. I had a lot of fun.
I did too. Today, we learned some great phrases.
Yes, we did. Let's say them again.
Okay? In a rush.
Slow down.
Take your time.
On time.
Make a plan.
And take a break.
Yes, those are very useful.
Yes, I will use them every day.
And to our listeners, what about you?
Yes, what about you?
Are you always in a rush in the morning?
Or do you take your time?
We want to know. Here is your task for tomorrow.
What is the task, Mia?
Tomorrow morning, take 10 minutes to slow down.
Okay, slow down for 10 minutes.
Yes, make a cup of tea or coffee, sit by the window, do not look at your phone.
Do not look at the phone? That is hard.
Try it, just 10 minutes. Take a break.
Okay, take a break. And then what?
Then write a comment below our video. Tell us how you felt.
Yes, write a comment. We read all of them.
We really do.
And please like this video and subscribe. It helps us a lot.
Yes, thank you for listening to our podcast today.
We are very happy to have you here.
Remember to take your time.
Yes, take your time.
Have a beautiful day. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.